To make money on Temu using PayPal. The process is relatively straightforward, but it's essential to follow all the steps carefully. First, open your Temu account and log in. Once you're logged in, click on the Settings option, usually found by scrolling down and clicking on the relevant button. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to sign up by clicking on the Register option. After creating your account, ensure that your country and region are set to the United States. And double-check that your currency is set to USD. With your account settings in place, navigate back to the main page and find the option to earn credits and free gifts. Temu offers various rewards, including free gifts, cash rewards, which can be redeemed as PayPal money, and credits to spend within the platform. For the purpose of earning PayPal money, focus on the cash reward option. You'll find two types of PayPal rewards: cash reward and redeem cash. If you're based in the United States, redeem cash might be the better option. But for those outside the US, cash rewards could potentially offer higher earnings. To proceed, click on the cash reward option, which will take you to a page showing your current earnings and the amount needed to cash out. The goal is to accumulate enough to reach the cash out threshold. To do this, you'll need to refer people to Temu. The referral process is straightforward. Click on the Invite to Get Tokens option, and you'll be given a link or code to share with others. When someone uses your referral link or enters your code, you'll earn tokens that bring you closer to your cash out goal. You can share your link or code with friends, family, or on social media platforms. Once you've reached the required amount, you can cash out your earnings directly to your PayPal account.